Take your video communications to the subsequent level with C920 HD Pro Webcam from Logitech. The webcam offers full HD 1080p video that's faster, smoother and works on more computers. Additionally, you will get 720p video calling on most major instant messaging services, including Windows Live Messenger, and Logitech Vid HD. Plus, with H.264 you'll easily capture HD video 1080p and upload in no time to Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Moreover, you'll send 15-megapixel snapshots, software enhanced, to the people you care about, and with dual stereo mics, you'll make certain your loved ones will hear the important. Besides this, the 20-step autofocus is more responsive, more sensitive and more intelligent. So whether your kids won't stop moving or you're trying to capture your latest dance moves, the C920 delivers razor-sharp images from 100mm and beyond for each occasion. Device type: high-def video chat, connect with everyone fully HD 1080p on Skype, or in Fluid HD 720p on hottest video calling apps. Even chat with Facebook friends with video calling powered by Skype or Facebook Messenger. Call and record with remarkable HD clarity. Look your best on video calls and record polished videos with the C920s. It delivers full HD video 1080p at 30 fps and clear, stereo sound with all the foremost popular video apps. You set the mood, C920s adjusts the light record in moody dim light or full direct light. Built-in HD autofocus and lightweight correction fine-tunes the video to the conditions. You get a razor-sharp and a high-def picture every time. Record in full HD 1080p chat and record a vibrant, true-to-life video. The glass lens and full HD 1080p at 30 fps capture every detail and bright, natural colors. The 78-degree field of view can frame to two people directly. Use Logitech Capture software to zoom and pan. All-in-one content creation with Capture. With Logitech Capture, you'll start recording high-quality video content the second you connect your new webcam. It enables you to customize recordings, adjust your camera settings, and even create a vertical video, all with one intuitive interface. Chat in full stereo. 2 integrated mics capture audio from every angle, so your voice always sounds natural and clear. Automatic low-light correction. Stream clear video, even in dim light. Video automatically adjusts to accommodate shadowy or harsh lighting conditions. System requirements: compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or later, and most video calling applications. Works in USB video device class (UVC) mode with macOS 10.6 or later, HD 720p on FaceTime for Mac or other supported video calling clients, full HD 1080p video with QuickTime Player, Chrome OS, Android v 5.0 or above with supported video calling clients, USB port experience, vivid high definition 1080p, 30 frames per second calling with supporting software applications. The wide 78-degree diagonal field of view covers everyone on group calls without having to reposition the camera. Enjoy razor-sharp images, even people who are packing up, from Zeiss optics with autofocus. Best-in-class microphones are designed to capture crystal clear sound and audio. UVC compliant, and works plug and play with most video conferencing and UC applications. It is often mounted on an LCD screen, notebook, tabletop or wall using the attached clip, or tripod using embedded thread. Model number: 960000764.